Good morning. Good morning, dear students. This is the biozoology class. Now we have to discuss about the unit 2. The name of the lesson is human reproduction. It will be the process it's needed for the reproductive organ to producing the young ones. So what is a female reproductive organ? The female reproductive organ is a ovary. So what is a male reproductive organ? Is a testis. Okay. Before we learn about that, as a structure of these the reproductive organs, what are the main reproductive events is occurring? Reproductive cycles. Okay. First reproduction cycle is a major events of this the human beings is. So first one is the gametogenesis. So these are the gametogenesis is formation of gametes. In male the spermatogenesis and in female that is called as the oogenesis. So what is the name of the cell division is occurs in gametogenesis is meiosis cell division. So that only the always is a haploid is a the gametes is a haploid number of a chromosomes. Okay, so it leads to the formation of the processes is a insemination. So that is the transfer of sperms by the male into the female genital tract. So next it will be the followed the function. The process is as a fertilization. So what is the meaning of the fertilization? So the gamete formation, that is a male gamete. What is the name of the process of male gamete formation? Is a spermatogenesis, and female gamete formation is the oogenesis. So both it will be combined and fusion takes place. The name of the process is fertilization to producing the zygote number of a diploid number of zygotes, that is called as the fertilization. Next is a cleavage. So the cleavage is the rapid mitotic divisions of the zygote. So what is the end result of the fertilization? We getting a zygote. So these are the zygote is a single cell stage. It will be undergo the continuous mitotic divisions to producing the multicellular structure. So these are the multicellular structure. As we get the result of this the cleavage, we getting a blastocyst. What are the results of this the for gastrulation? Is a blastocyst. Cleavage is the blastocyst. So next it leads to the formation of the processes is a implantation. So these are the formation of this the blastocyst. It will be attached to the uterine wall, that is called as the implantation. Next is a placentation. What is the meaning of the placentation? The formation of the placenta, where it between is a fetus and uterine wall of the mother. So what is the purpose of this the placenta formation? It's for exchange of nutrients. So next it leads to the formation of is a gastrulation. What is the name of the process? It leads to the placentation. Next it will be as a gastrulation. So these are the blastocysts is changed into a 3 germ layers. Already you know what are the primary germ layers. The outer layer is called as the ectoderm and middle layer is called as the mesoderm and inner layer is called as the endoderm. So these are each and every layer. It will be formation of this system, and this system is responsible to protection of this is the organogenesis. Okay, so the gastrulation it will be followed by the processes organogenesis. So the formation of a specific tissues, organs and organ systems is from the 3 germinal layers. And next it leads to the parturition. What is the meaning of the parturition? Is the expulsion of the fetus from the mother's womb, that is called as the parturition. Okay, can you understand? So these are the process. It will be undergo the events of human reproduction. Okay,